In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gmail to Monday.com. Let's walk through this together step by step so you can start sending emails automatically based on what happens on your boards. This is really useful for things like notifying clients when a task is completed or keeping your team updated without having to leave Monday.com. First, open the specific Monday.com board where you want this automation to live. Make sure you're on the right board because the integration you set up will apply only to that board. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the screen and click the Integrate button. This opens the Integration Center, which is where all of Monday.com's app connections live. In the Integration Center, you'll see a search bar. Type Gmail there, and you should see a Gmail banner appear in the results. Go ahead and click that Gmail option. This will bring up a collection of what Monday.com calls recipes. These are pre-built automation templates that describe what will happen and when. Take a moment to scan through the different recipes and choose the one that best matches your workflow. For example, you might choose something like, when status changes to done, send an email to someone. The wording might vary slightly, but the idea is the same. A specific change on your board will trigger an email in Gmail. After you select your recipe, you'll be prompted to connect your Gmail account. Click Connect and a Google login window will open. Sign in with the Gmail account you want to use for sending emails, and then review the permissions Google is asking you to grant to Monday.com. These permissions allow Monday.com to send emails on your behalf when the automation is triggered. Once you're comfortable with that, approve the connection. Next, you'll configure the recipe. This is where you map your Monday.com board columns to parts of the email. For example, you can choose which column will be used for the recipient's email address, which column will be the subject line, and which column or columns will be included in the body of the email. Take your time here and make sure each dropdown is pointing to the correct column so your messages are accurate and clear. When everything looks good, click Add to Board. Your Gmail integration is now active on that board, and from this point on, whenever the condition you selected is met, an email will automatically be sent through Gmail based on the configuration you just set up.